In this particular question, there are two particles which starts together from top of the two wedges down along the smooth inclined plane where the planes make angle 60 degree and 30 degree with the vertical, and they are in same plane. We need to find the relative acceleration of the second with respect to the first. So here we have first particle and here we have second particle. As with vertical the angles are 60 and 30, with incline the inclination are 30 and 60 respectively. So its acceleration is g sine 30 and its acceleration is g sine 60. So these are the acceleration, and the angle made with the vertical are 60 and 30 respectively. So if I draw a vertical line, then at an angle of 60 degree, we have g sine 30 degree as acceleration of 1. This angle is 60 degree, and we have another particle A2 accelerating with g sine 60. These are the accelerations of particle 1 and 2. Now the question says that the relative acceleration of second with respect to first, that is, we need to find acceleration of 2 with respect to 1. So to obtain acceleration of 2 with respect to 1, let us stop 1 first. So we take g sine 30 in opposite direction. So as this particular angle is 60 degree, this angle is 30 degree. So here from we can write this particular angle to be equal to 120 degree. So angle between g sine 30 and g sine 60 is 150 degree. Now we need to find resultant of these two vectors. So 8 to 1 is equal to under root g sine 60 square plus g sine 30 square plus 2 g sine 60 g sine 30 into cos of 150 degree. As g square is common everywhere, it can be taken out of the root. G root sine 60 square plus sine 30 square plus 2 sine 60 sine 30 cos 150 is nothing but minus sine 60. So here from we can have g root sine 60 square plus sine 30 square plus, now this minus comes out here, 2 and sine 30 is half, so this is cancelled. So it is again minus sine 60 square. So this sine 60 square and sine 60 square is cancelled. It is g sine 30 or g by 2. So acceleration of 2 with respect to 1, its magnitude is g by 2. And now we need to find the angle. Tan of the angle, let us have tan alpha, that can be written as g sine 30 into sine of 150 by g by g into its values g sin 60 is the other value plus the value cos component of g sin 30, that is g sin 30 cos of 150. So here from it can be obtained after putting the values, it comes out to be, alpha comes out to be 30 degree. So the resultant of A2 and this minus of A1 is in vertically downward direction. So resultant acceleration is g by 2 in vertically downward direction, and the correct option is A.